I'm John Landau, producer of Avatar: The Way of Water. I'm here today with our cast, and we are back together 13 years later. Pretty exciting.
Yeah, it is, right? The first film was a discovery of the forest, a discovery of Pandora on your banshee.
Outstanding.
It was unlike anything any of us had ever seen. And now it's The Way of Water, and it's a world all on its own. And I felt like I was rediscovering Pandora all over again.
One of the things I love about this film is that you're introduced to the kids. And the story, of course, is about how the family will change.
Alien, that's all they see.
I see you.
And that's what Jim's very good at. He's very good at upping the ante. He's very good at, well, we're going to add children into this love story. We're going to increase the planet and what we see of it. If you think you're going in and seeing a rehash of the first movie, it's not, it's an extension. What does Ava's heartbeat sound like?
Mighty.
Wherever we go, this family is our fortress.